Do you know? The average first-year failure rate for businesses is 20%. This equates to a startlingly high number of small enterprises closing their doors within a year after operating. The reality of running a small business is far different from the allure of jumping right in and beginning your own enterprise. This is due to the fact that running a business comes with a number of expenses that, if not tackled with careful planning and a solid blueprint, may cause a business to fail. So that your firm does not suffer the same fate as countless others, the information we will be providing is meant to assist you in making wise decisions. Planning, coordinating, and controlling a business's activities is the process of managing a business. To guarantee that objectives are realized, the process entails defining a company's goals, developing an action plan, and overseeing daily operations. The key to managing a small business is putting in place a productive system that functions well with little involvement from the owner or management. This frequently involves giving other people the authority to handle particular aspects of your firm so they can work on their own. There are several ways to assign jobs, including hiring workers, outsourcing them to a third party, or subcontracting them to another business. Therefore, developing a strategy is the first step in managing a small business. This plan should include goals like profitability, growth, profitability target. After choosing these objectives, you must determine how they will be accomplished and what resources will be needed. Contingency plans for any problems that are expected to occur throughout the year, such seasonal variations or changes in demand, should also be included in your strategy. Once your plans are in place, you must keep track of their development so that any issues can be found quickly and fixed before they have a negative impact on the performance of your firm. What skills are required to ace small business management? Firstly, transparent and clear communication. Small business managers frequently serve as the company's initial manager, if not the very first. Additionally, if this person excels at their job and remains with the business as it expands, there will be a wealth of information for new hires. This person will learn a lot during their time as a manager, and they'll be a crucial part of the firm's growth goals. They'll learn about everything from the history of product creation to corporate dynamics and politics, to a comprehensive vision for the future. One of the most essential talents for small business entrepreneurs is certainly communication. After all, you're essentially running your own business, and collaboration is the key to success. Communication abilities are also essential for dealing with clients, vendors, and staff. In this profession, effective communication skills are essential. For others to grasp information correctly and efficiently, you must communicate it. You may establish trusting relationships with your partners, clients, and employees by using this expertise. Both vocally and in writing, you must convey your ideas clearly and succinctly. Additionally, you must listen carefully and raise questions as needed. Effective interpersonal communication is crucial for all managers, but it's especially important for small business owners. Anywhere you conduct your small business, clear and transparent communication is a necessity. This might not come readily to many people, especially since starting your own business might be a solitary endeavor, but it's crucial to have while you're developing a small business. You cannot keep all of those brilliant concepts in your head alone. You must be able to express them to others so they can work with you to make them a reality. Secondly, good listening. One of the key competences for effective leadership and communication is listening. To effectively manage them and keep them satisfied in their positions, you must listen closely to your staff members in order to understand their needs and problems. By doing this, you will learn how to manage a small firm. Anyone who wants to excel in business must practice attentive listening. Make sure they feel heard, not just heard, but understood, when you speak with your clients, staff, or suppliers. In order to answer effectively, you must also pay close attention to what others are saying. You will be able to better comprehend your co-workers, clients, suppliers, and business partners if you can listen well. You can decide more wisely for your business with the help of this insight. Thirdly, you need to have strategic thinking. It's crucial to have the capacity to plan for the future and think forward. When planning to hire a new employee, for instance, you must consider how their contribution would impact other company units. Strategic thinking. Understanding the larger picture and creating plans to get you where you want to go are both aspects of strategic thinking. If you can't do this, your business generally won't be able to expand past a certain point. Do you have an exit strategy, for instance, if you work in the technology sector? If so, how are you going to market your business? And who are the prospective purchasers? A good manager doesn't get bogged down in the details and keeps his focus on the broad picture. He has good task delegation skills. Fourthly, understanding the market. Your capacity to comprehend how things actually function in the real world is referred to as having business acumen. This includes your understanding of financial matters like accounting, taxation, budgeting, and forecasting, marketing matters like analyzing customer needs and developing strategies to meet those needs, operational issues like production methods and inventory management, and legal matters like employment law, including labor relations. Managing small and medium businesses. Understanding how marketing operates, both online and offline, is crucial for any business, much as having sound financial judgment. You should be aware of the functions of social media and popular online and physical hangouts. Additionally, you want to be familiar with how conventional marketing strategies operate, such as the use of mailers and publications ads. As a small business owner, the first thing you must do is comprehend the market you are functioning in, which is crucial for managing small and medium firms. This entails spending some time investigating the current state and potential future of your sector. It also entails assessing your rivals and considering how to set yourself apart from them. Inability to make the right decisions for your business, if you don't do this, could result in failure. Number 5. Financial management. The adage, "money makes the world go round," is surely familiar to you, and operating a small business is no exception. Knowing your expenses, how much cash you'll need each month to pay your employees, and how much inventory you'll need on hand at any given time all require financial acumen. A successful small business owner must be knowledgeable about financial concepts to be able to make decisions about how much capital is needed at any given time, what investments are best for their business, and how much money should be allocated to employee retirement savings plans, growth, maintenance, and profit sharing. You may be able to calculate how much money your business makes or loses each month, but can you explain why those figures are what they are? If not, you should review your accounting knowledge. Lastly, planning and prioritization. To be successful, businesses require plans, but you also need to be aware of what's crucial this week, or even right now. You must develop the ability to assign responsibility for your assignments in accordance with their priority. The best small business managers can create plans that will enable them to meet their objectives and satisfy their clients. They can prioritize tasks based on what is happening right now and what might occur over the course of the following few months or years, because they also have an eye toward the future. For instance, let's say that over the past few months or years, your business has been experiencing diminishing sales as a result of growing competition from other businesses that are offering comparable goods or services at lower costs. For more videos of financial tips and advices, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated for the latest uploads.